This family in Gretna, Nebraska was alarmed when their garage door was closing on their household pet. Not only was it a bother, but it could have posed a real threat to their small children. That is when they called Omaha Garage Door Repair. We responded quickly, and upon closer look, we noticed the opener's safety sensor had no light. Checking the photo eye wiring, we found chew marks, exposing the wire and creating a short circuit. Thankfully, the problem did not extend further into the opener's logic board. First off, we needed to do a little dusting and cleaning. Then, we proposed installing a garage door sensor wire cover protector to avoid similar problems in the future, which the customer agreed to. Next, we began fixing the damaged wires and checked the sensor's alignment. We tested it a few times, and it was working perfectly. In less than an hour, we restored the garage's seamless operation through this garage door opener repair. Our client thanked us graciously for restoring their garage's security. Is your garage door opener acting up, jammed, or in need of repair? Omaha Garage Door Repair is here to help. We can fix garage door openers quickly and correctly for residents in Omaha, Nebraska, and the nearby cities. Our licensed technicians will provide quality and reliable service designed to provide the best possible outcome for all your garage door needs. We also offer garage door opener replacement and maintenance services to help keep your home and your family safe. Call us today at 402-819-5158 or visit www.garagedoorrepairomaha.ne.com for your free estimate and to learn more about what we can offer.